To do the pressure on a Worcester 2000 with an external filling loop, you might have to connect the film loop, disconnect these, connect that up. And then you've got your manual gauge. You press OK on the display, you got your digital gauge. This one's on 1.3 bar. If you open one valve, open the other one, you hear the water going. It will go up depending on the water mains pressure, it might be quite slow. 1.3 bar is still okay. Wants to be between 1 and 1.5. And once you're up to where you need to be, close both valves. And then you can take this back off if you need to.